Hi, I'm Lexi, and welcome back to our channel. Need a copy of your PSA birth certificate, but don't want to spend hours traveling to a government office or waiting in long lines? The good news is that you can request a birth certificate online and have it delivered directly to your home. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, including the information you'll need to prepare, common mistakes to avoid, and important reminders before submitting your application. Let's get started. Before visiting the website, make sure you have the required information ready. You should prepare your complete name, date of birth, place of birth, father's name, mother's maiden name, a valid government-issued ID, a valid email address, and your delivery address. Having all this information ready will make the application much faster and help prevent mistakes during the process. My tip: compare your information with any existing records you have. Even a small typo in your name or birth date can delay processing. Step 1. Visit PSAHelpline.ph. Go to the website and click the Order Now button. This will begin your online application process. Step 2. Next, select Birth Certificate from the available document options. You may also see options for marriage certificates, death certificates, and other requests. Review the terms and conditions, check the required boxes, and click Continue. Step 3. Choose who the certificate is for. The system will ask whether you are requesting your own birth certificate or someone else's birth certificate. If you're applying for yourself, simply choose My Own Birth Certificate. Step 4. Review the required information. Before entering your details, the website will show a list of information that you need to provide. This includes your personal information, parents' names, birth details, delivery information, and purpose of request. Take a moment to review everything before continuing. Step 5. Enter your personal information. Now it's time to complete the application form. You'll be asked for first name, middle name, last name, sex, birth date, civil status if applicable, and government-issued ID information. This is one of the most important steps in the entire process. Make sure your information matches exactly what appears on your ID and birth record. Step 6. Enter your delivery address. Provide a complete and accurate address where you can personally receive the document. Remember that PSA documents are important legal records. Because of this, the courier may require identity verification before releasing your order. Step 7. Review everything carefully. Before submitting your request, you'll see a summary of the information you've entered. This is your final chance to catch mistakes. If anything looks wrong, go back and correct it before proceeding. Important reminders. You must present a valid ID when receiving the document. You should use a delivery address where you can personally accept the document. If you're under 18 years old, a parent or legal guardian generally needs to handle the request on your behalf. And that's how you can apply for a PSA birth certificate online, step by step. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more practical guides about government documents and services in the Philippines.